Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and essentials. This is why it matters. Protect yourself and the gear. First, verify mains is off and speakers are disconnected. Then visually inspect for burned components or loose wiring because those cause instant faults. Once done, connect your meter and dummy load, set your signal generator to 1 kHz at a low level, and prepare the oscilloscope probes. Do this now so when you power up you only perform controlled, measurable checks. You power the amplifier and immediately verify supply rails. Accurate rails prevent stress on output devices, so measure before further tests. Next, check DC offset at the output. Large offsets indicate bias or faulty coupling capacitors. Then, inject a 1 kHz sign and observe the waveform on the oscilloscope to spot clipping, asymmetry, or distortion. While doing this, slowly increase input level to find the clean gain limit, because understanding where distortion starts defines amplifier health. You finish by applying a controlled load and sweeping levels to confirm stable operation. This proves the amplifier can deliver real power without overheating or oscillating. Measure gain and frequency response to ensure bandwidth and sensitivity meet specs, and note noise floor and hum for grounding issues. If things go wrong, power cycling, intermittent sound, or oscillation, first check the fuse and power supply caps, then verify grounding and decoupling. These steps
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.